Hello everyone and welcome to Linux Ubuntu tutorials. In this tutorial I will explain how to install Kazam on Linux Ubuntu 24.04. Namely, I'm using Kazam to record my screen, sound and the mouse cursor. In fact, I'm currently recording this video by using Kazam. I'm using Kazam for the last 5-6 years and it really works very well, and I recommend to everyone who wants to record desktop and sound from microphone to use Kazam. So let's start immediately. First of all, open a terminal. Here click and then search for terminal. Here it is. Now I'm going to resize this terminal such that you can see what I'm typing and you can see the commands over here. Whenever you want to install a program or a package on Linux Ubuntu, always run these two commands: sudo apt update and then you have sudo apt upgrade, and enter your sudo password. Okay, after you do that, you need to install Kazam. To install Kazam, simply execute this command. It's only a single line and Kazam will be installed. In my case, you can see that Kazam is already installed. This is because I'm actually recording this video tutorial. Good. Next, I will explain how to use Kazam. To use Kazam, simply click here and search for Kazam. And here it is. And hopefully, I can run 2 sessions of Kazam at the same time. Yes, I can. Good. So after you install Kazam, make sure that several settings are properly being configured. First, click on File, then Preferences. Then, make sure that speakers are selected, or you can deselect them if you don't want them. Speakers are actually not very important. The most important thing is the microphone. So over here, select the proper microphone. You can see that I'm using the USB microphone. Next, I usually like to select this countdown splash. Countdown splash means that after you press capture over here, it's going to take 1, 2, 3 seconds in this case to start recording the video. This enables you to have a smooth beginning and smooth transition between 2 videos. Okay, next thing, you need to set up the codec for recording the video and you need to set the frame rate. I usually use frame rate of 30 frames per second if I'm recording on my desktop computer. However, if I'm recording on Raspberry Pi, I'm usually using 20 frames per second. At least 30 frames per second is the minimum value for desktop, so keep in mind that. Then, here you need to select the recording program. I'm usually using H.264 MP4, however you can also use the RAV AVI format, and this is also the format for saving the files. Okay, then don't play with this option for automatically saving videos. Usually I select the default Linux Ubuntu folder for saving videos, which is called videos. Then here you can adjust the screenshot settings. If you want to take screenshots, you can use the shutter sound. You can use kind of like animation or a sound that Canon produces or Nikon or some similar device. And over here you can adjust automatic file savings. I usually don't like to play with that option. Good. Next, let me explain several things. When capturing videos, include mouse cursor and sound from microphone. You can also include sound from speakers if you want, however, I don't like to do that. And over here, you can adjust the number of seconds before capturing. Usually, I set this number to 3. And that's it. You will simply click on capture, then you will have countdown 3, 2, 1, and the video will be recorded. After the recording starts, you will see this cute small icon that represents the camera with this red circle. If you click here, you can pause recording, or if you want to complete the recording, you will click on finish recording. Then the recording will be finished. You will be asked where to save the file and the file name. And that's it. Simple as that. Okay, that's all for today. I hope that you like this video. If you like the videos I'm creating, please press the like and subscribe button, or even consider to support this channel. Thanks a lot and see you in the next video tutorial.